Hello and welcome to the BigScale YouTube channel. Today we'll be assembling the Revell Airbus A350-900 in the Scandinavian livery. This will be my first video with my voice, so feel free to comment down below your thoughts. Should I continue making video with my voice? Anyway, let's start the video. Beginning with the cockpit, I want to try make it look better by painting some details. I think it turned out great. Next I did the gears. Now I have a small question for Revell and specifically this model kit, and that is why to the instruction state to assembling the front gears in the beginning. In my opinion, doing so interferes and makes the rest of the assembly more difficult. This is the first model with photo etched metal parts, and I'm glad I used them because it looks so cool. I wanted to paint the gears in a new way. The gears had some flash, but I had an idea. After all that work, the gears now look perfect. Let's continue with the fuselage now. I want to build this model with the windows glued in. However, when I glued them, there were steps created from the windows, so I sanded it down smooth. I continued gluing the cockpit from gears and 20 grams inside the wipe down the noise of the plane. Once that was done, I proceeded by polishing the cockpit very carefully from P600 to P5000. I think the result is worth it after spending all the time spent polishing. What do you think? Write down below in the comment section. I then masked the cockpit and began to putting the fuselage. I spent around 3 weeks putting it. Next I restored the panel lines with my scrubber, and I was ready for my first layer of primer, and after 3 layers I was ready to the paint job. The decals were of really poor quality, not silver color, so I decided to paint the SAS logo myself onto the fuselage, and I did so by copying the decals on a regular pieces of paper and using that as a stencil. After painting the SAS logo, I was worried that when I would remove the masks, they would be smudged everywhere under the masking tab, but luckily that wasn't the case and everything turned out great. The last step of the paint job was to paint the metallic aluminium color. This color has a lot of pigments in it, so it is recommended to polishing it to get the best effect. However, when doing so the model has to be masked, otherwise you will get metallic pigment everywhere. The next step of the assembling was the engines. On this model I want to make the engines blades out of 48-inch metallic parts, instead of the regular plastic ones included in the kit. To replace the blades, we remove the plastic ones from the cone and glue the replacement metal parts onto it. After finishing painting everything, I was ready to polish. Polishing gets rid of imperfections and leaves a very nice result. Next I glued gears, and I was ready for the decals. And after gluing everything, I'm ready to present the result. So I finished this model kit. I was building it for 2 months. What do you think about this build? Leave your thoughts down below in the comments. I can recommend this model. It has a great fit and decals, and I hope you enjoyed my first voice over video. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you with my next video. See you!